You see, you wonder why you're approached by dogs when you're dressed like a bone, and you're hunting for authenticity at the pound. Looking for mutts where the nuts be. Come on now. You can't expect different results when you fish in the same ponds. You keep fishing them same ponds, them fish just start jumping in the boat without you setting the hook. That's what desperation does to a narcissist. I don't know why I'm being hoovered. Some of y'all looking for a white knight, knowing full well your karma is where you at. Consequence is a bitch. You go bedding up with some of these folks, wrap yourselves up in the case.